Most people spend their entire lives knocking on the universe's door, waiting, hoping, begging. But what if I told you the door never even opens? Because the universe does not answer requests, it only obeys commands. And in the next 60 seconds, I will show you exactly why begging always fails and how three everyday objects can flip everything. You have been lied to about manifestation. They told you to ask nicely, light candles, whisper affirmations, close your eyes and hope. And what happened? Your bank account stayed empty, your dreams stayed distant, your life stayed stuck. Every time you ask, you're confessing you do not have it. Every wish is an echo of absence, and the universe, it mirrors that lack right back to you. Which raises a brutal question: if every ask is sabotage, what is left? Stick with me because the answer flips everything you have been taught. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to go from desperate asker to commanding authority. The universe has only one response to true authority: yes. Think about your last manifestation attempt. You probably sat there, eyes closed, whispering, "Please bring me money. Please send me love. Please fix my life." Sound familiar? And then you waited, and days to weeks, weeks to months, still nothing. So you double down, more candles, louder affirmations, longer meditations. But here is the pattern no one talks about. The harder you push, the louder the silence gets. Why? Because the universe is already answering, just not the way you think. Carl Jung, the legendary psychologist, said it perfectly. Until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate. Your conscious mind says, "I want success," but your unconscious, it is screaming, "I do not deserve it. I am not ready. What if I fail?" The universe is not ignoring you. It is perfectly reflecting your unconscious beliefs. Every please confirms your powerlessness. So, what breaks this cycle? What transforms a beggar into a commander? The answer is not more hoping, it is the quantum command protocol. Nobel Prize winner Niels Bohr discovered something that changes everything. Everything we call real is made of things that cannot be regarded as real. Translation: reality is not solid. It is probability field waiting for your instructions. Here is the 6-step protocol that makes this happen. Step 1. The intentional void. For exactly 3 seconds, dissolve your story. No identity, no lack, no fear, just void. This is not meditation. It is a reset button for your nervous system. Step 2. The energetic imprint command. Speak it once, out loud, present tense. I command steady cash flow. But here is the twist: do not just say it, flood your senses with it. Imagine the weight of money in your pocket, the ATM beep approved, even the smell of success on your clothes. Why? Because your brain does not care if it is real or imagined. To your nervous system, vivid imagination is reality. Step 3. Shadow integration. Ask yourself, if this came true right now, what fear would rise? Wealth, fear of losing it. Love, fear of betrayal. Success, fear of responsibility. Do not run from these fears. Sit with them for 60 seconds. Say, "I can feel this fear," and still move forward. Step 4. Non-negotiable action. Take one step today, but do not underestimate this, because the smallest visible action is what tells your subconscious this is real. That is why most people fail. They skip this step, and the universe mirrors hesitation instead of certainty. Step 5. The quantum multiplier. Share your command with one trusted person, not a brag, to anchor it in collective reality. Group intention is not superstition, it is psychology. Shared attention shapes behavior, behavior shapes reality. Step 6. Sacred recognition. And this is where most people miss the magic. The twist that changes everything. It is not the words that hold power. It is not the action. It is not even the objects. When you speak with command authority, you are not manipulating the universe. You are doing something far stranger. You are remembering your role as reality's co-creator. And if that sounds mystical, wait, because science quietly backs it up. Quantum physicist Werner Heisenberg said the first gulp from the glass of natural science will turn you into an atheist, but at the bottom of the glass, God is waiting for you. Science and spirituality meet at the same place. Your command is not separate from the universe. It is the universe speaking through you. This is why asking fails and commanding succeeds. Asking assumes separation, commanding assumes unity. A woman I know used this on a job interview. Instead of hoping they would like her, she commanded the position. 3 hours later, they called with an offer double her asking salary. But here is the thing, she was not manipulating them. She was operating from such complete certainty that her energy left no room for doubt. Now we do this together. Close your eyes. 3 seconds of void. Let your story dissolve. No past, no future, just possibility. Now speak your command. Once, firmly, I command. Feel in your reality. Feel it in your body. See it with your inner eye. Hear it with perfect clarity. The shadow rises now. Feel the fear. Welcome it. Say, I can feel this fear, and still move forward. Now act one step today. Move your body toward your command. Share it with someone who believes in you. Anchor it in collective reality. Watch how fast the universe responds to unified command. You are not separate from what you desire. You are the desire expressing itself through form. The universe is not out there waiting for your requests. It is you, and you are commanding now.